Welcome back to my channel Adhyan with Flow. Okay guys, so let's begin with the algae are divided into three main classes. Let's start with Chlorophyceae and then we will discuss about Pyrenoids and Rhodophyceae. Chlorophyceae, whenever you hear this term, chloro, whenever you hear this term, it means they have what? Chlorophyll. And guys, chlorophyll directly responsible for photosynthesis. Okay, whenever you hear this term, it means this class of algae, what they do, they perform photosynthesis. They also called as a green algae. Okay, this is a very normal term. Okay, this is not important for your exam point of view. This is the brief some points like these are unicellular, colonial, filamentous, like this na filamentous arrangement. They are usually grasses green due to the dominance of pigments. Guys, this is the normal. Okay, I told you na chlorophyll, it may be A, B, C, D, E. It is vary according to classes by classes. So you have to remember this. Chlorophycy contain chlorophyll. But what kind of chlorophyll? What types of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. This is important for exam point of view. Next guys, the pigment are localized in definite chloroplast. This is the chloroplast structure. I think you all are familiar with this structure. These are double cellular structure. They have semi-autonomous organ. They have their RNA, DNA. All right, guys. They have what? Some thylakoids, coin-like structures, stroma lamellae, and these thylakoids they contain pigments, and these pigments known as chlorophyll. Okay, so the chloroplast here. Chloroplast may be discoid in shape, plate-like, reticulate, cup-shaped, spiral, ribbon-shaped in different species. Guys, species to species, the chloroplast structure may vary. Different types of species, they contain different size of, different shape of chloroplast. Now, most of the members have one or more storage bodies called pyrenoids located in the chloroplast. Guys, this is important. Again, this is important and this one is also important. This is the storage body of Chlorophycy and as well as they are located in chloroplast. They contain protein beside starch. Some algae may store food in the form of oil droplets. This is also important. Which class of algae contain oil droplets? Okay. Green algae usually have a rigid cell wall made in inner layer of cellulose and outer layer is pectose. Guys, this class of algae, they covered with rigid cell wall. The outer layer is covered by pectose and inner side layer is covered with cellulose. Again, next, vegetative reproduction. Now let's talk about how they reproduce. First, vegetative. First, let's discuss about vegetative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is take place by fragmentation. It's take place by fragmentation. This fragment is divide and cut and they make whole structure, or by the formation of different types of spore. It may be same size, it may be different size. Okay, now let's talk about second reproduction is asexual reproduction. Okay, this reproduction is by flagellated zoospore. Now guys, they have flagella. So flagella directly helpful in what? Helpful in movement. Movement or not? Next type of reproduction is what? Sexual. It means some class of Chlorophycy, they have reproductive organ also. The reproductive organ means they have sex cells. Okay, it may be isogamous, endogamous and oogamous. Guys, these terms I already described. Okay, I already described. Some commonly found green algae. Okay, now it's important. It's important. Remember this thing and you have to remember their diagrams also. Okay. Now, if your examination they ask, they describe algae, yeah, describe Chlorophycy, then you have to what? Make up point 1 to 15 properties of Chlorophycy with example, with guys, with their structure and with their economical importance. Then your examiner will give you full out of full marks. Okay, okay guys, that's all for now. That's all for now. Okay, now next class we will discuss in next video. Okay, so take care guys. and we will meet in next video. Thanks a lot for listening me, and please share and subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. Thanks a lot.